Yeah, a lot of people ask us, how do you measure for a particular window treatment? And really, there's no real short answer, but we suggest measuring both the inside and the outside of the window. Different window treatments fit windows differently. There are shallow windows that are typically replacement windows. There are casement windows that might be deeper windows. There are egress windows that are even deeper yet. And it really depends on what type of window treatment you're going to put in the window to determine the best way to measure the window. We always recommend starting with simple measurements so that you can get a budget established. If you don't know how much something costs, then you're not able to work on your budget, understand how it fits into your current project, your new home project, your remodel project, or just updating a room at a time. So measure the inside of the window, we suggest in 3 places: at the top, middle, and bottom of the window. Measure on the left and the right of the window to see if there are any inconsistencies in the measurements, and then work with a local window covering dealer to help you get some pricing and establish a budget. And then ultimately, like we do at One Stop Decorating, we can come out for free, measure the windows, make suggestions that go in the type of windows that you have that fit best and work best for what you're looking for.